So we're just at Currumbin Waters. This is DURINGAN. It's across the road from the river here, which is about probably 1 minute to the beach. This one's using a lot of heavy gauge structural steel, incorporated in with the light gauge steel framing. So we're on the upper level. This one here's got all sorts of things going on. It's got 3-metre high ceilings. It's got a basement with a man cave, sauna and garage and gym. This little step down here is for a waterproofed veranda, so it's going to have tiles on it. And there's the balustrade along there. So they're just waiting for the crane to come today. Normally wouldn't use a crane, but just because of the scale of this job and the limited access, they're going to use a crane to get the wool frames and trusses up onto the upper level here.